Hello, and it's the Broken Doll again here. We're going to blush the knee. And let's see how well we do with that now. Okay, so we're going to go across here. That's our goal. Whoops. There we go. There we go. Now we're going to also go across the foot, just a titch across the foot. Okay, so let's just do that. There we go, and that's good. Wonderful. So now what I'm going to do is clean up in the toe area here. That's good enough. There we go. Actually, I think the knee could use it just a little darker. Looking at it now, it looks like it just could be a little bit darker. This is just paint thinner that I'm putting my Q-tip into. So let's just put a little bit more, just a titch more, across that knee. There we go. There. That's nice. There we go. I hope you were able to see. Oh my goodness, my camera was down low. Were you able to see that? I hope you were. Oh, man, this is a terrible day for me today. But anyways, one leg is done. Let's do one more. So in case you didn't see that, we're going to do it again one more time. I hope you were able to see that. I didn't know it went down that low. Oh, okay. I did my touch. I should let you know I did the touch-ups on the legs. And I haven't done the bottom of the head yet, which I can still do. I'm not worried about that just yet. Okay, so now we're going to do this again. And I'm hoping you're going to see this. Where are we? Okay, so we're going to do one more. We're going to go across here, and we're going to go across the foot here. Okay, so here we go again. There we go. Okay. There we go. Now we're just going to go across the foot. There we go. Don't know if you can see that over my wrist. But there we go, and we'll just clean up the toe area again. A little bit of red across the toe is nice, actually. Gives it some life looking in it to it, you know. But there we go. Looks nice, very nice. I'm almost wondering again. I think the knee could be a little darker yet. So let's go for just a little bit more, just a little titch more on there. Remember, your paint might go. I don't know if it's going to go lighter or darker on here, but it's just looking not enough. There we go. That looks a lot better. Okay, so now we're going to hang that up. Let that dry. Okay. So now, when it comes to the arms, we're going to do across the hands, and we're going to do across the elbow. So, get this on. Across the hand. Whoop! Too much. Went crazy. Like I say, don't sweat it. Not a big mistake there. Oh, I got some right here. I like using these pads. These are wonderful to use when it comes to, like I just dab it. I mean, they're all throwaway and everything too. I mean, I like to be careful what I'm throwing out in my garbage, but this is, I love this. I'll be doing this more often, just using a pad, a puppy pad. That's why these are the extra large ones too. I don't think I would want, I don't know, I like the big one. It's the oversized ones. That works out really nice for this here. So just letting you know what I'm using here. Okay, let's try it again. Gonna go further away. There we go, good enough. Okay, now we're going to do the elbow. Okay. Now we just want to straighten out those fingers just a little bit. I don't know if you can see this or not. I'm just going in by the fingers. Like I say, a little bit of red is okay. Make sure I don't get the I think I like to put a little bit more red on that hand. Just going across that little bridge there. Oh, there we go. That's it. That's what I was looking for. There we go. Okay. Looks very nice. We've got the red on the elbow. Actually, I think the elbow could use a little more too now. Is there something about it that lightens up and you're going, not quite. Okay. Looks nice. Let's hang that back up. And we will, let's just take a look at this here for a second in that one little elbow part there. I wish I had fixed that now. Lesson learned though, you know, when you're doing this here. Listen to your heart, your mind. I wish I had just fixed that, just went over it, then put a dimple in that again. But it is what it is. It looks like it's been damaged there, but I should have fixed it. And but I didn't. But we got to move on. Okay. Beat myself up another time. These are the lessons that you learn. She's still turning out really quite nice. But next time I ever come across something like that again, I will be fixing it. Okay. One more time. Let's do this one here. I hope there's a lot there. You're still watching. Okay. So again, across here. Oh, let's do the hand first here. Okay, so I see where it's going. All my, there we go. So now we get our Q-tips out. There we go. Okay, let's do her elbow. Okay, I think I'll just leave that. Oh, my gun fell out, vibrated out. Do this a little bit more. There we go. Alright, I don't know if I'm really happy with the hand per se. There we go. Oh, there we go. That's what was bugging me in there. And where is that? I had one of those on here. Where is it? Oh, maybe I didn't. I don't have one. I thought I did. Let me see. Where did I put those little tiny Q-tips that I bought myself? I had a package of them. Oh, there they are, way back at the back. There, I see them. All right. I got to get these put where I can get my hands into them. These are great for getting right into the lines up here. Oh wow, that worked out beautiful to get in there. Where other Q-tips are so clumsy. Okay, wow, that was great. Okay, I like that. That one worked out really nice. Sometimes they put like red marks like down the fingers anyhow, like in this finger area. They didn't do that on Shirley though. That's just it. And that's on old antiques too. Like I mean, talking the bisque, you will see that on some of the fingers there. Some compost too, but she looks pretty good, I say. So we're going to leave her. And again, you can spray her again if you think it's still too light. And but anyhow, there we go. So now what the next thing is that I want to do is do some of my finishing touches when she dries, is on the flip her head over and start painting around just that part up there around her neck area. And now I need to do the body. Okay, so where are we going to accent her? So we're going to do it around the breast and the crotch and the bum area. Oh, my hands must be red because I'm getting it on her body and I haven't touched her. And I got some red on her already, right up here. How did that get on her? She's got, I hope you're able to see all this here. Where did that come from? I haven't been touching her. That's dried. Something got on her. All right, I'm going to leave the body. I can do her bum, and I'll do well, I can blush her. That's not a problem. Let's blush her. Okay. But I'll work on that part up there later. So we're going to do around her belly button. We'll do the breast area first, the chest. Now we're going to do the belly area. Now just around in the crotch area there. Now we're going to turn her around and we're going to do the back of her cheeks. Oh, we got a little red dot. We don't want that red dot right there. Okay. There we go. And that's enough on her there. There we go. And that should be enough just for her right there. There, and she's been blushed in those areas. Now, if I feel they lighten up too much, then I'll deal with that. This I'll deal with. I got to do up around her neck area. But the blushing's done on her, as you can see. If I need to darken it, I will a little bit. Let's see how it turns out. So we're going to hang her back up. I hope you enjoyed seeing this, the blushing part of the doll. I think it turned out rather nice. And next what we're going to do is we're going to do some of the finishing touches on her. That's all that is needed on her, just to finish up around her shoulder area and around her arm area, and we're done with that part of her. And the blushing's done now. So there we go. And I hope you enjoyed what you've seen. More to come. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.